Hi, I'm Alexis from Lifestyle and Mobility. Today I'm going to show you how to change the colour packs on an Apex Rapid. Okay, so we just pull this off and then this part just goes down into there and clips straight in. So this one pops straight off and we just pop this one straight in and push down. You may need to just pop something underneath this end, lift it up, push the front in first and push down. By lifting the front panel here, removing it, place it in there and push down. So that's how you change the colour pack on this product. If you'd like any more information on the Apex Rapid or any accessories, please go to our website.
Lifestyle and Mobility, your local mobility specialist.